In today's market, opting for a quality used car is a smart move, but navigating the risk can be tricky. You could opt for a certified pre-owned vehicle, but what if it doesn't have the model or options you want? Fear not. With these essential used car buying tips, you'll uncover the perfect deal without the blind risk. First, assess the age, mileage, and reliability of the vehicle. A meticulously maintained car with moderate mileage is your best bet. Next, where should you shop? Dealerships offer variety and financing options, while private sales can save you money. Online marketplaces give you endless options at your fingertips. But regardless of where you shop, financing is key. Pre-approval saves you money and hassle. When inspecting a vehicle, ask detailed questions and conduct a thorough examination. Take it for a test drive, negotiate the price, and ensure it fits your budget. And don't forget the final step. Protect your investment with a plan through CarShield. Visit carshield.com to find the right protection plan for you.